A typical toilet flange lasts anywhere from a few years to several decades depending on material and installation quality. Toilet flange lifespan hinges primarily on material, moisture exposure, and how well it was installed. Polyvinyl chloride flange components are resistant to corrosion and can last 2 decades or more if the bathroom stays dry and the wax ring is properly seated. Stainless steel flanges resist rust and often last several decades in normal residential settings, but poor fastening or movement of the toilet can stress the flange and shorten its effective life. Cast iron flanges match old drain lines but are prone to rust where water or condensation reaches them, so their functional lifespan may be under a decade in damp environments. Proper installation means the flange sits flat on the finished floor, is secured to the subfloor, and aligns with the drain pipe so the toilet does not rock. Routine checks when you remove the toilet or notice wobble, slow leaks, or sewer smell will catch flange degradation early and prevent bigger repairs. When replacing a flange, remove any corroded sections back to solid pipe. Use a repair flange or flange offset piece if the floor height changed, and tighten bolts evenly while checking for a square fit before reinstalling the toilet. Common mistakes include leaving a flange partially embedded below the finished floor, which makes a poor seal and lets water reach the subfloor. So when that happens, raise the flange with a spacer or full replacement to the correct height. Another frequent issue is using the wrong fasteners or over-torquing bolts, which cracks plastic flanges or strips threads in metal. So use manufacturer-recommended hardware and snug bolts evenly by hand with a wrench. People also ignore small toilet movement, which progressively stresses the flange and leads to leaks. So tighten the closet bolts. Use wax ring alternatives like rubber gaskets for extra protection, or shim the base to eliminate rocking before it damages the flange. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors relevant to toilet flange repair or replacement and helps contractors find work in their service area. We host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share experiences, tips, and vendor recommendations related to bathroom plumbing and maintenance.